What's up guys, welcome back. As you all know, ColorOS 12 comes with lots of new features. And in that, one of my favorite feature is PC Connect, which is a quite handy feature. So in this video, let's take a look at the PC Connect feature from ColorOS 12. Before moving ahead, thank you so much guys for completing a like target of 300 likes on our previous video. And in this video too, let's keep a like target of 300 likes. Also, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. Make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video. So now talking about that feature, so here you can find that feature in the quick setting panel. If you don't find it here, you can go to the settings option. Under settings, we'll have an option of connection and sharing. Tapping on it, here you would see the option of PC Connect. And to connect your device with PC, you need an application. So that application is an exe file for Windows. You can download that application from the description below and install it on your PC. So now let's talk about how to connect the device to PC. First, you need to enable this PC Connect from here. Okay, so here you can see I have my OnePlus 9 which is currently running ColorOS 12. On that we have PC Connect feature, and on my desktop I have also installed PC Connect application. So if you are doing it for the first time, this is going to be the interface of PC Connect application on your PC. And if you have already connected your device, whenever you come near to your device or PC, you'll get a pop-up on your phone asking to connect. So let's tap on connect here. And on the PC Connect application, you can see we have a pop-up which says OnePlus 9 5G is requesting for connection. Let's tap on allow, and there we go. Now we have successfully connected our OnePlus 9 to PC Connect application. There are lots of things you can do it here, and soon your device connects with your PC Connect application or PC, the mobile screen turns off. And that's a good part. This way your device won't have issues related to battery. So this is a simple interface which casts the mobile screen, but everything can be controlled using mouse and keyboard. And as you can see, there is not much of delay. A slight millisecond delay, and that's normal. And this application comes in handy wherein you can do lots of things. Like let's open up Notepad here or the notes application in the phone. So here you can directly copy all the notes from your phone to PC or vice versa. So let me select this note, select all, copy, and now let's paste it in the Notepad on our PC. Or if you want, you can also do a Google search, and there you can see. Also, when it comes to photos, you can directly transfer the photos from the file manager application. Though you cannot copy the photos from the gallery application to PC, but yes, if you use file manager, you can copy all your files and transfer it to PC. So let me show you. Here we have I'll just drag these photos and place it on the desktop, and there you can see. Transfer rate was also pretty good. It hardly took me 2 seconds to copy a file of 2 MB, close to 3 MB. And also if you click on any of the photo here, that will open up in the Photos application of Windows. And there you can see that. So I personally feel this is a quite handy feature for people who do lots of their office work on PCs. They can side by side connect their device to PC, and you can also access to the notifications. And another good thing is you can also watch YouTube videos. Just go to the YouTube application. And here also good thing is if you play any video that doesn't get played on your device, instead of that it's being played on your PC. So let's play this video, and here you can see the sound is coming from the PC now. And if you want, you can also switch this video playback in a mini screen just by tapping on this full screen option on the YouTube. Also let me show you the settings options in the PC Connect application. So here we have first option in which you can adjust the resolution. So there are total number of 4 options. One is auto, second is HD, which is 720 pixels. After that full HD, which is 1080 pixels. And after that last option is extra HD, which is 1440 pixel. And here we have other options like sync clipboards. Now let's also show you the notification part. So if you are using this feature, you don't even have to touch your phone if you have any notifications. So for example, I'll send a Telegram message and show you guys. So if I send a Telegram message on my device which is connected, so here you can see I've got the notification. I can directly reply from here to those specific messages which I receive. And here you can see if you get any call, the device screen doesn't turn on. Instead of that, you get the notification on your PC Connect application. But if you receive the call on PC Connect application, you need to use your device to talk to the other person. And you all let me know in the comment section below, What do you guys think about this application or this feature which is being added on Color OS? Do you think this feature should also be added on Oxygen OS for seamless connection between your device and PC? Make sure to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, this was a quick look on the PC Connect feature of Color OS 12. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to a channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.